They say it takes 21 days to change your life. Some say 90, others promise 7-day transformations. But what if I told you it only takes one day, one decision, one honest moment. Not tomorrow, not someday. Today. This isn't about motivation. This is war. You versus you. And today, we're going in. Deep. Let's fix this. Right now. Step 1. The isolation protocol. Silence the noise. Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow and I cut the cord. No phone, no Wi-Fi, no social media. Just you and your mind. Most people can't think clearly because their brain is on constant overdrive. Endless scrolling. Non-stop stimulation. Their mind has no space to breathe. Spend just one day but alone in silence. If that sounds scary, it's not boredom you're afraid of. It's the truth. Step 2. The mirror ritual. Face the real you. Stand in front of a mirror. No filters, no music, no pretending. Look yourself in the eyes and ask, who am I pretending to be? For the world, for now yourself. It'll sting, that tightening in your chest, it's your real self waking up. Because deep down, you know you've been putting on a mask. This is the moment it falls off. No more acting, no more fake confidence, just raw, honest presence. Step 3. Destroy to rebuild, burn the past. Grab a notebook. Write down 3 truths. 1. The habits that are killing your potential. 2. The places and people draining your energy. 3. The lies you tell yourself just to be accepted. Now, destroy it. Burn it. Shred it. Why? Because writing it down is awareness. But destroying it, message to your subconscious. Old version of me ends today. 4. Warrior hour. Unlock your power. Set a 60-minute timer. This is your warrior hour. 20 minutes. Your body. Run, do push-ups, cold shower. Doesn't matter. Just move. 20 minutes. Your thoughts. No structure, no judgment. Let your mind pour everything out. In complete silence. Breathe. Be still. Be present. You'll feel it. A shift. Control. Power. Presence. This is where the fog lifts. Warrior wakes up. 5. The 9 p.m. oath. Respect the effort. 9 p.m. Return to the mirror. But this time, don't question anything. Just say, Q, for showing up. For being perfect, not for being productive, but for being present. People never give themselves a single day of full focused intensity. You did.